Welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. Here we are. This is the place you come for your tips and tricks, hacks and mods, and campsite reviews. We are at the end of the camping season. If we decide to go out again, we'll just dry camp. But we're going to get this thing winterized, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I don't know why some people are paying other people to winterize their camper. So, 1, 2, 3, stay with me. Number 1, you just drain the water. Clean out your tanks, dump your tanks, and pull out the plug at the bottom and let all the water out. Put the plug back in. Boom. You got your water out. You got your tanks empty. Okay, number 2, you ready? You put the pink stuff in. You winterize it. Keeps the lines from breaking. It's RV and marine winterizing fluid. Antifreeze or whatever. This is special stuff for marine and RVs. So you want to make sure it's the pink stuff that says RV antifreeze. Okay, so grab 2-3 gallons of that. Depends on how many systems you got to run through, but probably 2 or 3. Grab a couple extra, you'll have some for next year. Okay, you just put it in the tank like you're filling up with your water. So ours is a little tricky. The hose comes up, so you got to push the hose down in order to get the water in, get the antifreeze in. Anyways, get 2-3 gallons in, and number 3, just run it through your lines. Turn the pump on and run it down your drains, run it through your shower, just get it going through the lines, and you're done. Okay, yep, so we're going to go ahead and turn the sink on, the faucet on. Here's the faucet. We're going to turn this on now. We want to run it down every drain, so we got a double sink. We're going to run it down both sinks. So you want to get a good steady flow of pink through there. Okay. Run some down that way. And I could see there was a little bit of water in that line. All right, we're in our 08 Fleetwood. And we love the hard-sided bathroom. Okay, Adventure waits in here. Still haven't used the shower yet, but we have used the toilet, and so we're gonna flush it. Here we go. There it is. All right, that's how easy that was. Okay, got to do the outdoor shower and the indoor shower, and that's it. Okay, yeah, so you want to make sure you use your hot and your cold water, and if you need to bypass the hot water tank, so you're not putting this in your hot water tank. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Drain the water, clean out your tanks, put in your RV coolant, the pink stuff. Make sure you get the pink stuff. Number 3, run it through your lines. Don't forget the outdoor shower. A lot of people will forget that. Don't forget that. Okay, we'll see you out there again someday soon. God bless.